In this video, we'll create a hexa bean. Okay, very beautiful hexa bean is what we'll create, where we'll have cut colorful hexagonals in between in the full image, and we will have more colorful in the mid and the black outside. Okay, so how we can do that? So let's start. So from by random import standard normal, and from Bokeh dot plotting import figure. Okay, and figure is to create your figure, and show is to show the figure that you created. Okay, from Bokeh now we'll import more things, that is transform. Okay, and import linear cmap. Okay, and we want to create hexa, right? So from Bokeh dot util dot hex import hex bean. Okay, and now let's create a standard random values. Okay, I want those values to be 50,000, x, y to be also 50,000. Okay, and let's create beans, that is x beans. There I will give x comma y and 0.1 as you can see. Okay, p equals to figure rules match aspect background color. I want it to be like this. That is gonna be somewhat blackish. So once it's done, then let's do some more things to it. It visible. If you want, you can keep it as it is, but let's do that in this way so that things the path that we are creating it will be more beautiful. Okay. If you want to add title, add it like this. Here add Q. Okay. And you can add more things over here like fill color. So near CMap is what we want it to be. And counts, and here I'll be using very is 256. Okay, and give values from 0 to maximum beans count. Okay, or here another thing that I will give is source. Okay. And now let's show the money, right? So let's see. Okay, Hex. Okay, it's not title, it's style. You see, we created a very beautiful graph, right? In a mid, we have a beautiful color, and outside it's somewhat blackish, but not fully. So this is a way how you can create hexagons. Okay, I hope you liked it. See you in the next video. Another thing that you can create is a scatter plot. Okay, to create a scatter plot of the same data also you can do. So let's try. C Y X Y. So you see we have a very darkish color in the mid, right? Of the same data that we have it. So this is a way how you can create scatter plots. Okay.